Many manual TPMS relearns require the use of the vehicle's key fob. This feature will test and display if the key fob is functioning properly. From the main menu, select RKE Test. Then select the vehicle's make. For this example, we will be using a Jeep key fob. Then select the key fob's frequency. Most domestic vehicles use 315 MHz. Then place the key fob near the side of the tool near the antenna and press either the lock or unlock buttons. The tool will display the relative signal strength of the fob.